How we doing, everyone? We are back after taking a couple days off for Christmas. This time we got two tickets here. We got two of the $20 $230 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. Now these ones here, we have the overall odds. Going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. Today, we have tickets 11 and 12. We are going to get started with ticket number 11 here and work our way up. If you have not seen me do these before, we're looking for that money bag symbol there to win $100 instantly, or the 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. Alright guys, enough talking. Let's get into it, get scratching, and get some wins. Ticket 11 here, and we are looking for 2, 21, 18, 5, 35, 46, 32. Let's start out with a 48, 3, 36, 34, 16, 30, 23, 43, 27, 11, 47, 1, 25, 24, 7. 2 rows left. 38, 9, 22, 41, 17. Alright, last row, guys. Can we get something here? 10, 33, 31, 15, and in the corner, we got 29. So nothing on the first one. Ticket 11 here. Set that to the side. Move on to ticket 12. We got 32, 8, 11, 34, 16, 41, and 24. 15, 32, and we got a match on 32. We got something here. Let's see if we get anything else. 13, 22, 14, 48, 38, 29, 35, 6. 49, 23. There's my lucky 44. Not today. 1, 37. 2 rows left. 31, 9, 17, 47, 7. Alright, last row here. Can we get anything else? 36, 43, 19, 42, 27 in the corner. Alright guys, we got a single match here. Hopefully we get something big. Let's see. Hey, $40. We will take it. That makes this a break-even session. So we spent a total of 40 and won back 40. Alright guys, as always, if you would, consider hitting that subscribe button if you have not before. Give this one a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one.